Hello, my name is Gilliland, and I'm a professor of archival studies in the Department of Information Studies at the University of California, Los Angeles. I'm very privileged to have this opportunity to present the 2025 Konarski Lecture, which will be titled Getting to Digital. In this lecture, I will ask why it is, after many decades of extensive investments in research and infrastructure building, as well as in professional education, that many archives are still not today fully digital in terms of their content and their activities. Given digital ubiquity and user fluency in digital technology, in so many other aspects of our lives, this is a situation that some might see as being of existential concern for archivists. But there is actually more to it than that. I will argue that the archival profession has moved through distinct phases in its interactions, first with analog computing, and then all the way to networked digital technologies and remote devices, and ultimately to artificial intelligence. And that each of these phases has been driven by its own motivations and raised challenges that have in fact greatly expanded professional practices and conceptual developments in the field. Nevertheless, this review suggests that in several cases, once the field had begun to come to terms with those expansions, new questions emerged, sometimes causing professional criticism of the work that had brought the field to this point. Or socio-political contexts or intellectual trends shifted, leading to archivists placing priority onto other critical matters. As new concerns relating to generative AI have emerged in the past couple of years, they have engendered some new discomfort on the part of archivists about losing control of their archives, as well as ethical concerns about how archives should or might be used if they were indeed fully digital. And so there is no more important time to ask not just whether archives will ever reach full digital capacity, but rather whether they even should. I'm very much looking forward to the lecture, and I do hope that you will be able to join us on October 16th.